By now, we all know and understand that using aluminum metal in cooking and food preparation is indeed harmful, especially when it comes to aluminum pots and pans, which are much, much worse than simply using aluminum foil. As for aluminum foil, guys, it's also widely said and commonly believed that cooking directly with it is harmful and can potentially lead to serious diseases in the long run, such as Alzheimer's disease and various other neurological conditions. That's precisely why it's generally considered much better to completely avoid cooking with aluminum foil whenever possible. Aluminum foil undeniably makes things so much easier and more convenient in the kitchen, and it's really quite hard to completely stop using it for all your cooking and food preparation needs. So the big question is there a practical and safe way we can still continue to use aluminum foil in our cooking without suffering the potential harm and negative health consequences that people often talk about and warn us about? I know a lot of people, including myself, frequently use aluminum foil in the oven for baking and roasting a lot. Or we meticulously wrap something delicious in foil and then place it directly into hot coals like different kinds of potatoes, sweet potatoes, corn on the cob, and other similar items. Or we often cover dishes with aluminum foil before putting them into the oven to keep them moist or to prevent overbrowning. So, to be absolutely on the safe side and to have complete peace of mind that what we're using in our kitchen isn't harming us or our beloved family members, there's a super easy, incredibly simple, and highly effective trick that you can implement right away. You can still absolutely use aluminum foil for your cooking and food preparation, but at least you can effectively prevent its potentially harmful substances and metallic particles from getting directly into your precious food. The trick, my friends, is really quite simple and straightforward. Before you cover anything at all with aluminum foil, first make sure to put a layer of parchment paper or baking paper directly over the surface of the food or the dish itself, and then and only then put the aluminum foil on top of that. For example, let's say this is our delicious dish and the food is perfectly ready inside and we want to cover it securely with foil and then put it into the hot oven to bake or roast. What exactly should we do to ensure safety? Before putting the aluminum foil on, we carefully lay a sheet of baking paper or parchment paper over the food, ensuring it covers the entire surface, and then we place the aluminum foil on top of that. That's it, guys. This simple yet effective method ensures that the aluminum won't transfer its potentially harmful substances and metallic ions to the food you are preparing for yourself and your loved ones. Now, let's proceed to see how to properly wrap food with this method. Suppose you want to put a potato in the hot coals of a campfire or in the oven for baking. It's really incredibly easy. Just cut a suitable piece of baking paper, carefully wrap the potato completely in it, making sure it's fully enclosed, and then wrap aluminum foil securely over that. That's it, guys. This way you can truly enjoy all the wonderful benefits and conveniences of aluminum foil without exposing yourself or your family to its daily risks and potential health hazards. It's really easy to do, doesn't take any significant extra effort or time, and provides a great deal of peace of mind. If you genuinely like this informative video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more valuable tips and share it widely with others so that everyone you care about can learn how to use aluminum foil safely and effectively in their own kitchens. And to stay updated and informed with all my next upcoming videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel right now so you don't miss out on any future helpful content.